Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. I'm doing a series of quick videos showing how to sell more on eBay. This week's quick video is the very important listing stay active function, and I'll show you why it's so critical to enable it to get more sales on eBay. And also, I'll show you step by step how to enable the listing stay active function. So let's launch straight into it. First of all, the reason to have eBay's listing stay active function enabled is that it stops your listings from ending and you lose all that valuable sales history when an item runs out of stock. Let me show you what I mean. Take this listing as an example. This listing has sold 67 times since it was first listed. In the industry, this is known as sales history, i.e. sold 67 times. And buyers on eBay love listings with sales history, even if the sales history is only one. A sales history of just one looks a lot better than a sales history of 0. Now, if the eBay out of stock function is not enabled and a listing runs out of stock, eBay will end that listing and you'll lose all that very valuable sales history forever, i.e. sold 67 times. And there's no way of getting it back. However, if you enable the listing stay active function, the listing can have 0 available and eBay will not end that listing, therefore protecting your very valuable sales history. And at any time, you can simply just add more stock. But just a caveat on this though, if the eBay listing remains at 0 available for 2 months, eBay will automatically end that listing even with the out of stock function enabled. However, if during that 2-month period, if any stock is added, like even just one piece, the 2 months automatically resets again. Okay, so how do you enable the eBay's out of stock function? To do this, on any page on eBay, click on My eBay, then Account, then Selling Preferences. Then you'll see the option of Listing Stay Active when you're out of stock. Now note by default, this out of stock function is disabled. To enable the Listing Stay Active function, simply move the slider to the right. If you also want to know how to get more sales on eBay by understanding how eBay's Cassini search engine works, make sure you check out this video up here, and I'll put a link below the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button as it encourages me to create more of these videos. Until next week, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.